this video, we're unboxing and replacing the rubber spring kit for Ford F-150 2014. The rubber spring. The mounting hardware. Installing the bracket. These are side-specific, left and right. Brand brochure. Instruction manual.
The following are the tools required for replacing the Ford F-150 T1 rear suspension rubber spring kit.
A large electric impact wrench. A large swivel socket. A large 16mm shallow socket. A large 13mm shallow socket. A long extension bar. A large ratcheting wrench. Lift the vehicle. Before installing the new bump stop, we need to remove the factory mounting bolt. Here is the factory bump stop bolt. Remove the bolt. Use the 13mm shallow socket with the large swivel socket. Use the electric impact wrench. Remove the bump stop mounting bolt. Pull the bolt out. Install the mount bracket. When installing the bracket, pay attention to this. The brackets are side-specific. Make sure for the left and right. Install the bolt. Use the fully threaded short bolt with a spring washer. Use the 16mm shallow socket to support installing. Line up the holes and start installing the bolt. Use the 16mm deep socket with the large swivel socket. Use the electric impact wrench. Tighten the bracket mounting bolt. With the bracket installed, let's move on to the bump stop. Before we install the bump stop, first put the washer in the hole. Once the washer's in place, install the bolt. For this one, use this longer bolt. Feed the bolt through the bump stop. Use the 16mm shallow socket with the swivel socket. Start installing. Line up the holes and thread it in. If you're tight on space in there, just use a jack to lift the vehicle body up. That'll give you some extra space. Use the 16mm shallow socket and the swivel socket. With the large ratcheting wrench, tighten the bump stop. Once it's snug, pull the socket off. Repeat the exact same process on the other side. Lower the vehicle.